Hello everyone, welcome to Walton. This is our new product. It's 35 horsepower, also 25.6 PR. Besides this, Walton also has the 8 TR, 12 TR, 16 TR, 19 TR, and 22 TR VRF systems. Walton also can provide the central controller with the VRF system. Now Walton has 151 systems in running condition. Walton also has the largest testing capacity in Bangladesh. This product now is exporting to Vanuatu. They also have the CE and ROS certificate. Welcome, welcome for contacting us for new requirement. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.